Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to transfer your money from Binance to Bitvavo. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for Binance.com. Then once we're logged in, we're going to click on Assets. Then we're going to click on Overview. Then again we're going to click on Withdraw. Then here you guys could select the coin. Then you're going to write the address. Since the address can be found in your Bitvavo app, you guys could go there. Then once you change the coin to XRP, you guys could also go there and change the coin to XRP and they'll give you an address. So you're going to copy the link and enter the address here. So once you guys enter the address from Bitvavo, you're set to go. Then you guys could withdraw whatever amount you want from Binance to Bitvavo. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.